Do you dream of exploring Morocco, but don't know where to start? With its vibrant souks, breathtaking deserts, and rich cultural heritage, Morocco is a destination full of unforgettable experiences. However, to fully enjoy your trip without unnecessary stress, proper planning is essential. Morocco. Without mistakes, your complete travel guide is your ultimate resource for discovering Morocco safely, affordably, and with confidence. Packed with expert tips and detailed insights, this ebook will help you avoid common tourist mistakes and make the most of your adventure. Discover must-visit destinations, from the bustling medinas of Marrakech and the blue streets of Chefchaouen to the golden dunes of the Sahara and the historic wonders of Fez. Learn how to navigate transportation, find the best accommodations, experience authentic Moroccan cuisine, and explore hidden gems beyond the usual tourist routes. Plus, get essential information on cultural etiquette, visa requirements, the best time to visit, and budget-friendly travel hacks. Imagine wandering through ancient marketplaces, riding a camel at sunset in the desert, and sipping mint tea in a traditional riad, all with confidence and without unexpected hassles. With this guide, you'll have everything you need for a smooth and unforgettable trip. If you're ready to explore Morocco without mistakes, get your copy of Morocco Without Mistakes, your complete travel guide today. Start planning your dream adventure with confidence.